Morning, YouTube friends. We're at an auction this morning. I'm park a little further than I normally do. Got here a little bit later. A lot of vehicles here, a lot of buyers and sellers. But we're just gonna walk around, see what the deals today. Hopefully, I can keep this video. It's windy this morning, but let's see what we can find. All right, at least they got 2 rings going, which is normal. Got our buyer number. So if you guys hear that, we bought a few things. We get some crowd this morning. Let's go scout out some items. Yeah, small trailer is crowded, so we'll walk around over here and see what's here this morning. Hedge trimmer.
Now we got a little Alice mower here. Tinker there. I see a little Alice mower there. All right here. Who would get 500 out of here? Get a big 500, 400, 300, 200 bucks, 100, 150, 100, 150, 100,
500-gallon tank. So glad we got a working tractor. We ain't got to look over there this year. See, tractor seat there. That seat's bad. $500-gallon tank. It's a nice trailer.
anyway, I'd rather buy something that I brought it.
Some garden tillers. That thing will go for way too much. Some brand new seats.
Alright, on this little case sign, alright, he'll give $15, man. He'll get $50 on the little case sign. You got 50 now? 75, 59, 75, 59, 75, 59, that's it.
Drag. Some weights.
Now we've got, you want to the big one on the little one. How about that? About one or two? All right, about one or two. All right, we'll get them up. $50 a bird now. We'll get $50 a
Totes, I don't know if they're clean or not. Discs. I don't know where they get all this stuff, but once in a while they have some unique stuff. Some sickle bar mowers. That's a rough bush hog. It's the size of mine, but nice bush hog. Back here they're gonna go so late. I don't know if I'm gonna be here that long. Hay cutting equipment, seeder, planter, disc, of course, shipping containers. I think that bush hog right there was a nice one. Same size I got now. We'll see how late I'm here. All right, let's go get some action.
For a blower, it's a steel. Get it down a bit about it, 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 about 60, take 60, bit about 60, bit about 60, now 65, 60 down, 65, 65, 70, 70, 75, 70, 70 bucks your way. Hey, 257, Johnny, 257. All right, now we got a weed eater or weed eater. You want to do choice on them or you want to sell them as you get them? Sell the one he's got in here. This should be Steel 55 weed eater right there. All right, here, who it is? One he's got in the air. Who it is? Say $50 here. Now 55. Did it on a 55, but now 55, but now 55. Says it runs on it. Did it on a 55, but now 55, but now 55. Did it on a 55, but now 55, but now 55. Did it on a 55, but now 55, but now 55. Did it now 55, but now 55, but now 55, but now 60, take 60. 85 now, 60, 55 now, 60, 55 now, 60, 55 now, 60. 85 now, 60, 55 now, 60, 55 for a steel weed eater, $60. 55 now 60, 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 55 now sold it, $55. 368, 368, Johnny. Hey, now we got another little one there. I ain't that one right there. Pretty good. That's a bigger weed eater, looks like to me. I ain't how much. That's 500. 50, 60, dated on 60, 70, 80, back to 80, 90, 100, 100, and 110, 110, and 120, 120, 120, and 120, you say 120, 110, 120, 130, 120, and 130, 120, 130, takes 130, 120, and 130, 120, 130, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, and 140, 130, and 140, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, 140, sold it, 130 to back 222. 85, 85, 91, 90, 99, 95, 99, 95, 99, 95, 99, 95, 99, 95, 99, 95, 99, 95, 99, 95.
Oh, you
Sold it,
video
90
it?
bucks in the back.
Yeah, just put it on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
People like this stuff.
Yeah, I know I do.
Okay.
Take one.
Yeah, they have one over in Burberton right today too.
Okay.
Yeah, this morning
Anybody else?
He'll take the other one.
Got two more.
over at their fairground.
Okay.
One or two, sir.
Got you.
Take one. 460.
I was surprised to see some people here today.
68.
Yeah, they're, hell, even if it barely drizzles rain or anything, they still come.
Yeah. Well, yeah, if it starts raining, I'm out.
Oh no,
Yeah, I got
that's where you get
Got
your
one
big
left. Who wants that
umbrella.
last one? Get us out
Just
of
come
60.
right on over here.
483 takes it in the back. 483.
Now, if
483
it's drenching hard, I'm staying home.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been here sometimes where I had mud at a hole up here and here down here.
Oh hell no.
I got a little trailer here. Boxes here. I ain't two white toolboxes right there. I believe put the tag on the inside. I ain't selling toolboxes right there. Two of them for one money. All right here. Who would get $500 here? It's $500, it's $500, $400. Get it 400. He made 400. He made 400. $300 on the toolbox. 300 bucks. 200. Anybody get 200? $100. Anybody get 100? 100 now 125. 100 now 125. 125. 125. 100 now 125. 125. 125. 100 now 125. 125. 125. Excuse me, 100 now 125, 125 on two of them. 100 now 125, 125, 125. 100 now 125, 125, 125, 125. Sold it $100. Put it on a buyer number. 2 pretty nice little small salt spreader right there. Who would again say $300 here? Anybody three goes in receiver heads. 300, 200, $100 on that salt spreader. $50. Thank you, 50, 75, 75, now 100, takes 100, 75, 100, 75, 100, 75, 100, 85, 100, 75, 100, 100, now 125, 125, now 150, 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 150, 175, 150, 175, 150, 175, 150, now 175, 150, 175, 150, now 175, 150, somebody 150 right here, put it on the buyer number. 310, 310. Hey, now we got to set up aluminum ramps right here. I ain't saying set up aluminum ramps right there. Who would again say 50, 60, 80, 60, 50, 60, 50, 60, 50, 60, 80, 60, 50, 60, 50, 60, 80, 60, 70, 60, 70, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 70, on the aluminum ramp, 60, 70, 60, 70, 70, 80, takes 80, 80, now 90, would it be 90, 90, would be $90, now 100, takes 100, 90, 100, 90, 100, 90, 100, 90, 100, 90, 100, 90, 100, 90, 90, how about 95, sir? I'll do that. 90 down, 95, 95, now 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, 95, 100, so did 95. Put it on the buyer number 315, 315. 3 weed eaters. All right, here we go. Who to give 25 and go? Who to get 25? Who to get 25? How about 10 then? How about 5? I got 5, now 10, now 15, now 20, now 5, now 30, now 35, now 40, 35. It's my choice now, 35, now 40. You want to be 40? 35, now 40, 35, 40, now 5, 45, 40, now 5. Now 50, 40, 50. You bid with him? 50, now 5, 50, now 5, 50, now 5. New money, 55, now 60, 55, now 60, 55, now 60, 55 and 60, 55, now 60, 55, now 60, 55, now 60. You'll be 60, 55, now 60. Sold it to him, $55. That's buyer number 264. Do you want all 3 of them?
No, just the one right over here.
All right, here we go again. 25. Now 35. 25, 35, 25, now 35, 25, now 35. He's in it. 25, now 35, now 45, 35, now 45. Will be 45, now 55, 45, 55, now 65, 55, now 65, 55, now 65, 55, and 65, 55, now 65, 55, now 65. Sir, $55. That's buyer number 333. How many would you like, sir?
I just want one.
Outside.
All right. We're still good at 25, my friend. 25 now, 35, 25 now, 35, 25 then, 35, 25 now, 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 35, 45 then, 35, 25 now, 35, so to $25 by your number. Anybody go 900, 900, 800, anybody go 800, 800, 500, 600, 500, 600, 500, 600, 500, 600, 700, 600, 700, 600, 700, 600, 700, 600, 700, 600, 700, 600, 700, 600, 700, 600, 650, 600, 650, 600, 650, 650, 700, 650, 700, 650, 700, 650, 700, 750, 700, 750, 700, 750, 700, 750, 700, 750, 700, 750, 700, 750, 770, 770, 770, 770, 770, 770, 770, so it's 700. That's 182, 182. Hey, now we got the red weld-on quick attach. Got a red or black one right here. We can see your choice. Hey, 1 or 2. All right, set them. They're adjustable now. Hey, set them right there. All right, here. Who would you say $500 here? Anybody 500? Anybody 500? 400. Anybody get 400 bucks? 300. 200 bucks. Yep. 100, you said 200, 250, 200, not 250. Sell choice. 200, not 250, not 250, not 250, not 250. That sun feels good. 200, not 250, not 250, not 250, 200, 225. I'll do that. 200, not 225, 200, 225, 200, 225, 200, 225. 200, not 225, 200, 225, 200, 225. 200, not 225, 200, 225, 200, 225, 200, 225, 200, 225, 200, 225. Sold it. 200 bucks.
I'll take both.
Times 2. That's the way to buy her.
106.
106. Hey, we got a John Deere weight right here. I ain't say a little weight right there. All right, here, who putting in say 200. I think he said it's off of 40 or if it's a, I can't remember exactly. It's off of John Deere for sure, he said. I ain't selling right there. All right, here, who putting in say 200 out of here. Anybody 200, anybody 200, 100 bucks. We'll give $100 on that front weight. $100. Anybody get 50? $50. 40. 20, now 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25, 29, 25, 29, 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25, 29, 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25, 29, 25, 29, 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25, 29, 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25. It's a John Deere weight. $20, 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25, 29, 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25, 29, 25. 20, now 25, 29, 25. Sold it 20 bucks. Put it on what is it? 9.
Alice weights.
Hey, now we got 2 Alice weights right there. Where at?
Right here.
There, I see them now. Hey, still 2 Alice. Hang on, weights there. All righty, here. Who's that? Both for one money. Still them both for one money right there. Who'll get 200? 200 on them Alice weights. 100 bucks, both of them. 50, 60, 50, down 60, 50, 60, now 70, 70, now 80, 70, 80, now 90, 1 be 90, now 100, takes 100, now 110, 100, 110, 100, 110, now 120, 120, now 130, 120, now 130, 120, 130, 120, 130, 120, 130, 130, now 40, 130, now 40, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, now 40, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, 140, 130, now 40, 130, 140, 130, sold it, 130 right here. Put it on a buyer number 336. Hey, now we got 2 Ford weights here. I ain't see a little Ford weights there. All right, here. Both of them to you for one money. We'll give 100 bucks. 100 bucks. $50. 25. Thank you. 25, 30 for both of them. 30 now, 35, 30 now, 35, 30 now, 35, 35 now, 40, take 40. 40 now, 45, 45 now, 50, 1 be 50 now, 55. 50 down to 55, 50 down, 55, 50 down, 55. 50 down to 55, 50 down, 55. I'm over here. 50 now, 55. 55 now, 60, take 60 now, 65, 60 now, 65, 60 now, 65, 65 now, 70, take 70 now, 75. 70 down now, 75, 70 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 now, 75. 75. Sold it 70, put it on a 253, 253, Johnny. All right, now we got 3 tractor weights here. 3 little little compact weights there, little suitcasers. I ain't sell them all to you for one money there. Who would again say $200 here? 200, 100 bucks. Anybody give $100? 50, 60, 50 down to 60, 50 down 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 60, that's for all 3 of them. 50, 60, 50, 60, 70, 60 down 70, 80, 70 down to 80, 70 no 80, 70 no 80, 70 80, 70 down to 80, now 90, want to be 90, 80 to 90, 690, 80 down to 90, 80 down 90, 80 down 90, 80 down to 90, 80 down 90, 80 down 90, 80, 90, now 100, want to be 100, takes 100, 90 down to 100, 90 down 100, 90 down 100, 90 down to 100, 90 down 100, 100 down 110, cheapest weights we've ever sold, 100 down 110, 100, 110, 100, 110, 100 down 110, 100, 110, 110, 110, 110, 110, why not? 110, 110, 110, 110, 110, 110, sold it 100 bucks. Put it on
find some.